On this week's edition of the Business Review, we'll explore a local fashion company that specializes in resort wear for curvy or full-figured women.
Broad-Tail Designs, a fashion brand created with the intention of providing fashionable clothing options for full-figured women, improve comfort and confidence in their attire. A personal concern, a niche, now a business. Dania Beckford is the CEO and founder of the company.
And I took a picture, I posted it on Facebook. Yes, Facebook was hot at that time. And I posted it on Facebook, and a number of other full-figured women started to ask me in the comments, where did I get the swimsuit? So I said that, I designed it and asked a seamstress to make it. They asked me if I would make for them too. And, I thought they were joking, and the questions kept on coming. And I recognized that maybe these women were having the same problem that I was having, that they didn't have something that was fitting well enough to show up their sexy, but probably hide some of the areas they wanted to. And I just started to ask in the DMs if they'd pay for it, and they said yes, and that's how the business started.
However, there was no initial capital to start the business.
I didn't invest any money at all, to be very honest. I have a friend, and I kept talking to him about, oh my God, these swimsuits that I want to make, and I had all these ideas, and every time I see a color, and he said, if I give you some money, would you stop talking about it and just do it? And he gave me $40,000.
From the initial investment, what the company started to earn, but then a major business shock.
From $40,000 to earning in excess of $1 million pre-COVID, including what we would have done for Carnival in our first year in 2017, because the business started in 2017, and we had our first Carnival experience with Jamaica International at that time in 2017, when Andrew Bellamy invited me to be a designer because he wanted Carnival to be a little bit more inclusive at the time. So, but then COVID hit, and the first thing that closed was beaches and rivers. Nobody was buying a swimsuit. Nobody was buying a cover-up. We were all jostling in the supermarket for grocery. And so I said to myself, what am I going to do? Because also it was 1 month before Carnival.
So what was the solution?
I pivoted with my podcast and YouTube series by having conversations about confidence.
Ms. Beckford says with her passion for fashion and a keen eye for design, she plans to expand her regional and international footprint to cater to the needs of women who often feel overlooked by the fashion industry. But are the designs only for curvy or full-figured women?
The core of the brand is confidence. So we want women to feel confident when they're at the beach, when they're at the boardroom, when they're at Carnival. So if I do get a smaller woman who wants me to design for her because she's not feeling very confident right now, probably she just had a baby. I have a lot of clients like that and their body changes. I do it, but I market to full-figured women.
Only 6 employees and providing fashionable clothing that empowers women to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.